Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to set up WordPress. So basically go to your server wherever it may be, whether it's a www link. Right now I'm using the localhost link. So right now I post my WordPress directory, place the entire folder into wherever your server may be located. So this will reference the WordPress folder. When you begin this, you'll see a screen similar to this. Right now I'm using WordPress 3.1.2, which is one of the newest versions of WordPress. Since there doesn't seem to be a WordPress-config.php file, so basically what this introduction phase will do is it will create a configuration file. So let's just click create configuration file. So there's 5 things that you need: database username, database password, host, and table prefix. So let's go. So database name. So most web servers, they have this thing called phpMyAdmin, depending on what server you may be using. Right now I'm going to show you how to do this using phpMyAdmin. So let's create the new database. Let's call it WordPress. For your guys' connections, you guys may have phpMyAdmin, which automatically uses a prefix, which is a prefix that you specified before it. So it may be different. Instead, it may be like, let's say the prefix maybe like this. So you guys have to adjust for that. So when you create your table, when you create your database, make sure you see it on the left side and match it up. So I'm gonna click create right here, and I'll see WordPress. If you guys press create and you have a prefix, it'll say prefix underscore WordPress or so. So make sure you guys include the entire title. So right now we use WordPress username. Really, for the most part, unless you specified a unique MySQL username, and it will just be root. For localhost, it's always going to be root. Password. For localhost, I didn't specify a password, so there's going to be no password. If you guys specified a password with your MySQL username, then you guys will have to enter that password. And table prefix. So basically, this table prefix, what WordPress does, it creates 11 or 12 different tables and it attaches this prefix to it. So basically it would be like WP underscore comment meta, WP underscore users. So that will be the table prefix. Let's just leave it as the default. Localhost. So now let's click run the install. So basically we're pretty much done installing WordPress. All you have to do is create a database and just specify all the different database configurations. Click on install, and look where we are now. Now we can, this is my new site. Make a weak password and your email. This button right here if you want your site to appear in search engines. So basically this makes it very easy for your site to be like search engines like Google. Click install to complete the process. WordPress has been installed. So basically WordPress 3.1.2 made it a really simple process. So now in my next tutorials I'll show you guys some more things about WordPress.